Hello everybody, welcome to Itz Sirap, and I just decided to do this look tonight. It is late and I just decided, let's do some makeup tonight, So I am about to go wash this off, but I decided to just record it and bring it to you all, so I hope y'all enjoy it. But sometimes at night I just like to do my makeup, try out different foundations, different products and stuff. That's how, we get better, we practice, we, mix different combinations of things and all of that. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
This video will be a silent slay video, so I will not be talking through each step, but I will show you the festival palette that I'm going to use. And I'm going to use some purple and pink shades going up toward my brow bone to kind of get that blended look. And then I'm going to pop a neutral color on my lid, and that will basically be the eye look. So continue to watch and enjoy the video. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did, and I'm about to go wash it all off. If y'all want to see a video of me taking my makeup off, please let me know, because it is kind of a tedious process. Well, not really that tedious, but I feel like it's things you can do to, you know, improve your skin and, you know, have that flawless face and all that. So if y'all want to see kind of like my take my makeup off routine, then put that in the comments, and y'all know I will whip that video on up for y'all. I hope you guys are ready for what's to come with Itz Sirap. So I hope y'all have a great day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.